Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll solve the Amegy Bank mobile app crashing issue with an easy method. Welcome to our channel. If you've been struggling with the Amegy Bank mobile app crashing repeatedly, you're not alone. Many users face this frustrating problem. But the good news is there is a straightforward way to fix it. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your app working smoothly again. First step, make sure your mobile device operating system is up to date. Go to your settings and find System. Updates. Installing the latest version ensures compatibility with the app. Second step, clear the app cache and data on Android. Go to Settings, Apps, find Amegy Bank, tap Storage. Then clear cache and clear data on iPhone. You can offload the app by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Amegy Bank, and select Offload App. Then reinstall it. This removes corrupted data that might be causing crashes. Third step, restart your phone. Often a simple reboot can resolve many app conflicts that cause crashes. Turn your device off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Fourth step, check your internet connection. The Amegy Bank app needs stable connectivity to function properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Fifth step, update the Amegy Bank app itself. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Go to your App Store, search for Amegy Bank, then tap Update. If available. Sixth step, reinstall the app. If updating didn't help, uninstall the app completely and then reinstall it fresh. Sometimes a clean install can fix persistent bugs. Seventh step, verify you have enough storage space on your device. Low storage can cause apps to malfunction. Free up space by deleting unused apps or files. Eighth step, if none of these solutions work, contact Amegy Bank customer support. They may have additional troubleshooting tips or be aware of server issues causing crashes. Following these steps carefully will help you fix the Amegy Bank mobile app crash issue fast and get back managing your finances without interruption. Don't forget to keep your device and apps updated regularly. For the best experience, remember to always secure your personal data when reinstalling or updating apps. We hope this guide helped you solve the problem efficiently and enjoy smooth banking on your mobile device.